On this video today, I'm going to show step by step on how to make money with CPA marketing using a cheap traffic source. This method is beginner friendly, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you the high paying offer that you can promote and the best cheap traffic source that you can use to get people to take a specific action for you to make money. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. A CPA marketing network is a website where you can find CPA offers to promote. In this case, I'm using CPA Group, but there are a lot of different CPA marketing networks that you can join and then find offers to promote. CPA Group is available worldwide, so what you have to do is that you have to search for CPA Group. Once you search for it, you can create your accounts and log in. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here and then click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to click on My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see these are offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different offers. One good thing about CPA offers is that you don't need any sales. All that you need to do is that you have to get your potential visitors to take a specific action. You can see all these offers, they have different specific actions that your potential visitors can take for you to make money. The first one is mobile install. So your potential visitors are required to install a mobile app and you are going to be paid 48 cents. There are many of them and you can see the different actions that your potential visitors can take. You can see this offer right here. Your potential visitors are required to submit their email and zip code and you are going to be paid $2.14. There are some offers where your potential visitors are required to submit a PIN. Some of them they have to download an app and you are going to be paid. Another thing about CPA offers is that they are geo-specific, so you have to find a specific location and then get offers that are available in that country so that you can promote it to people who live in that country. As you can see, all these offers, you have to promote them to people who live in the United States so that they can take action for you to make money. If you are promoting CPA offers, there are two most important factors that you must consider. You have to consider the payout and then the requirement. This offer, for example, you can see the payout is very low. You can see the requirement is mobile install. So you have to consider whether you get many people to install the app for you to get paid. If you are also using a paid traffic source, the payout must be high, because if you are promoting a lower payout offer, you are not going to be making profit with paid traffic. But if you are using free traffic source, you can promote any offer with any payout that you want. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using a paid traffic source. So what we are going to do is that we are going to search for a country where we can get offers with higher payout. So you have to come right here and then click on it. Once you click on it, you can select any country that you want. As a school, you can see there are many countries that you can select. You can see a whole lot of different countries that you can select and then get offers that are available in those countries. In this case, we are going to search for Switzerland. So search for Switzerland. Once you search for it, you can see Switzerland. Click on it. Once you select Switzerland, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people who live in Switzerland. You can see the first one, the requirement is that your potential visitors are supposed to submit a PIN and you are going to be paid $22.25. You can see the next one is $2.22. You can see $11.55. There are many offers with higher payout. So you can select any of these offers and then promote them so that you can get people who live in Switzerland to take the action for you to make money. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. As you can see, a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. So what you have to do is that you have to select the one that you want. If you want, you can translate the text to English so that you can understand what the offers are about before you select the offer that you can promote. So right click on your screen. Once you right click on it, select translate to English. Once you click on it, you can be able to translate the offers. As you can see, everything has been translated. You can see the first one is access the best content now. This is a gaming offer. So your potential visitors are required to submit a PIN so that they can get access to the best gaming content and you are going to be paid $22.25. You can see this one is get the latest health tips. Your potential visitors are required to submit a PIN so that they can get access to the latest health tips and you are going to be paid $11.55. So just select the one that you want so that you can promote it. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting the first one. So click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link and this is the warning right here. The offer is allowed on Android in Switzerland. You can see other details of the offer. You can see a whole lot of different details of the offer. Now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Switzerland to click on this link and then take the action for you to make money. There are a lot of different traffic sources. You can use the paid traffic sources or you can use the free traffic sources. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a cheap paid traffic source that you can use to get people who live in Switzerland to click on your link and then take the action for you to make money. The traffic source that we're going to be using today is admarvin.com. Admarvin is a traffic network where you can use to get people to click on your link. The best part is that you can target any country that you want. So any of the CPA offers that you want, you can select it and then promote it on this platform. They also have different ad formats that you can select. The cost per click is very low on this website. So this is one of the best that you can use to promote your CPA offers to make money from home. Now what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account. To sign up for an account, click right here, sign up. Once you click on it, select advertisers. Once you click on it, you have to enter your full name, email address, password, repeat your password, select your country, select any way that you want to communicate with them. You can see they have Skype, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram and the rest. So any way that you want to use to communicate with them, you can select it. Once that is done, you have to tell them how you got to know about them. Once that is done, select here, I agree to Admarvin's terms of use. Once that is done, you can click right here, sign up. Once you click on it, you can be able to sign up for a free account and then use it to advertise your affiliate links. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to create a campaign so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link. To create a campaign, click right here, campaigns. Once you click on it, you can create a pop under campaign. You can create a push campaign. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to select push campaign. Once that is done, you have to give a name to your campaign. So you can say best content, something like this. Once you type the name of your campaign, you have to scroll down. You can see total budget. What is the total amount that you want to spend on your ad? So you can enter $70, you can enter $100. It depends on the amount that you want. So let's enter $80. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see daily budget. How much are you willing to spend on your ad per day? Let's select $10, or if you want, you can increase it. Once that is done, you can see default CPC. What is the amount that you are willing to spend per click that you get? You can see the default is 0.01. If you want, you can leave it at default or you can increase it. So let me increase it to 4. I want to get a lot of traffic to my affiliate link, so let me increase it to 4 so that my ad can be competitive. Once that is done, you can see minimum CPC. What is the least amount that you want to pay per click? So I'm going to enter 0.02. Once that is done, you can see maximum CPC. What is the maximum amount that you want to pay per click? Let me enter 0.05. This is the maximum amount that I want to pay per click. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see right here, how would you like to spend your daily budget? You can see they have evenly and ASAP. The evenly means your ad is going to run throughout the day. They have to spend your money throughout the day. The ASAP, as soon as possible, meaning they can spend your daily budget within any time that they want. In this case, I don't want them to spend my budget at any time that they want. I want it to run throughout the day, so you have to select evening. Once that is done, you can see push traffic type. If you want web traffic, you can switch it on. If you don't like it, you can off it. As you can see, that has been done. All these things, you can off them or you can allow them. In this case, I'm going to leave everything at the default. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see daily clicks. How many clicks do you want per day? I'm going to leave it at the default. Conversion per day, I'm just going to leave it at default. Once that is done, you can see clicks per IP. How many times do you want a user within a particular location to click on your ad? So you can select the number right here. In this case, I'm going to leave it at 1. A user must click on my ad once. Once that is done, you can see impression per IP. How many times do you want a potential visitor to see your ad? Let's enter twice within a day. Once that is done, click right here next. Once you click on next, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the location. where you are targeting, you have to select that location so that you can get the right people to click on your affiliate link. So what we are going to do is that we are going to search for Switzerland. Switzerland is part of Western Europe. So click right here so that you can search for Switzerland. You can see Western Europe. So what you have to do is that you have to search for Switzerland. You can see right here Switzerland. Click on it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, click yes, selected. As you can see, that has been done. Switzerland has been selected. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see timing target. So you can schedule your campaign. If you don't want your campaign to run on any day of the week or any hour of the day, you can select that. But in this case, I'm going to leave it at the default. Once that is done, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see language. You have to select the language that the people who live in Switzerland speak. So first of all, deselect all languages. Once that is done, you have to select the languages that you are targeting. In this case, the people who live in Switzerland speak French, they speak German, they also speak English. So you have to select all those languages. So let's type English. Type English. Once you type it, you can see it right here. Select it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select it, you have to also search for French. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. It has been selected. Once that is done, you have to search for German. So search for German. You can see it right here. It has been selected. Once that is done, you have to select Romash. So let's search for Romash. It is not available, so just leave it. Once you select the languages, you have to click right here. Once you click on it, select yes, selected, so that the 3 languages can be selected. You can see these are the 3 languages. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down. You can see operating system. The offer is allowed on Android. So what you have to do is that you have to first of all deselect all of them. Once you deselect all of them, select Android. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select it, come right here, click on it, select yes, selected. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see device type. First of all, deselect all devices and then target only mobile devices. So let's select mobile tablet. Once that is done, click right here and then select yes, selected. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see device brand. There is no restriction, so click right here and then select yes, selected. That means you have selected all the brands. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see browsers. There is no restriction, so click right here and then select yes, selected. All the browsers are allowed. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see connection type. It is allowed on any connection, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see careers. There is no restriction, so what you have to do is that you have to leave it, but you have to select the country. So come right here, click on it so that you can target the country. Let's type Switzerland. You can see Switzerland, select it. Once that is done, click right here, yes, selected. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to click right here, next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. If you want to blacklist an IP address, you can do that. If you want to whitelist an IP address, you can do that, but we are not going to do any of that. So just leave it and then click right here, next. Once you click on next, you can see you have to type the title of your ad here in a description. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on CPA Grip so that you can get the title for your ad. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you can see this is the title of the offer. Highlight and then copy it. Highlight and copy everything. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to come back on CPA Grip again. Once you come back, highlight and copy the description of the offer. Highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste the description right here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, you have to copy and paste your affiliate link here. So come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, click on copy link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you have to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to download the offer image. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, you can see this is the offer image. Right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save images. Once that is done, click on save so that you can save the offer image. Once you save the offer image, what you have to do is that you have to come back on your ad, click right here, upload main image. Once you click on it, select the image that you downloaded, click on open. Once that is done, you can deselect all of these. Just deselect all of this. Once that is done, click right here, add. As you can see, that has been done. Once you click on it, your image has been uploaded. You can upload the same image here. So let's click on upload icon image. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. You can deselect all of these, deselect all of them, leaving only one, deselect all of them, leaving only one. Once that is done, click on add. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, submit, so that you can submit your ad. Once you click on submit your ad, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, finish. Once you click on finish, your ad has been published onto the platform. You can see it right here. This is your ad. It has been published onto the platform. Now what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your account so that your ad can run. To deposit money, click right here, add funds. Once you click on it, you have to select your method of payment. You can see they have a lot of different methods of payment that you can use to deposit money into your account. So if you have PayPal or credit card, you can type the amount right here and then select it. If you want credit card, you can also click right here and then deposit. You can see wire transfer and more. You can also see capitalist, coupon, any of them that you want, you can select it and then deposit your money. The minimum amount that you can deposit is $50. So when you enter $50, you can select your method of payment, click right here, submit. Once you click on submit, you can be able to deposit the money into your accounts and your ad is going to run. Once your ad is running, you get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.